Tonaker back with another programming tutorial, and today we are going to be doing a simple code which is just going to be something simple for any beginner. So first off, we have everything that we need to include. Now let's start typing int arg, simple stuff that you already should have known even though you have just started this. Okay, now char, and then we have asterisk arg b, and then you have this bracket, no, not that bracket, this bracket and that bracket, and then you close it off, and now you have this. But now let's I'll include this link to this code in the chat. But essentially what this is something that I've gone out and made, and essentially this is just a simple line of code. It's not too difficult, and it's just a simple make file, and you will see what happens when you compile this code. Okay, so basically we do this, and then this, and then we put this here, and that's basically all programming tutorials do. You teach how to copy and paste. And also this is, I forgot to include this. This, you're not using C1, you're using C2. Well, then start all of this over, and we need to include this. No, we don't need to include that, but now let's compile it. And so basically we make, and now what we have done is we have made this image. Okay, so tomorrow, so for the next tutorial I will teach you how to make a self-writing card. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.